Yeah. Oh, yes. Hey, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to prepare for you another of my favorite seasonal summer salads. Today I'm going to prepare for you a strawberry jicama salad. It's going to be very nice. We're going to take some of those strawberries. We're going to infuse some red wine vinegar with strawberries. Then we're going to spin the vin. Oh, it's going to be delicious. So, strawberry salad, strawberry jicama salad. Alright, here are our ingredients for our strawberry salad. Of course, our fresh strawberries. I have some fresh arugula and some fresh baby green mix. Some roasted and salted almonds. Jicama. Red wine vin, extra virgin olive oil, some canola oil, salt and pepper, heavy cream if I haven't mentioned heavy cream. And we're going to be simmering our vinaigrette in that medium sauce pot right back there. And we'll be utilizing our blender to spin our vinaigrette. Alright, let's get started, and this vinaigrette up next. We're also going to be using the zest and juice of 4 limes and a strainer, a fine mesh strainer. Alright, let's start this strawberry vinaigrette by infusing a red wine vinegar with these strawberries. So I have 2 pounds of strawberries in this medium sauce pot, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this entire bottle of red wine vin. That's right. We're gonna infuse this whole bottle of red wine vin with all these strawberries. We're going to be simmering them in medium heat till they break down and release their pectin and all their strawberry essence into this vinegar for us to spin our strawberry vinaigrette. Okay, I'm gonna put her on low heat just to get it going. Alright, so far so good. And let's simmer them down in that vinegar, and we'll be right back. Alright, let's cut some strawberries. So what we're just gonna do, we're gonna cut off the bottom. Then we're going to quarter them. And that's our strawberries. Alright, let's cut our jicama. And I went ahead and I cut off the ends of the jicama. Then I peeled them with my knife. And I blocked her off, and that's where she's at right now. So we're gonna cut her in half. And we'll start right here. They're gonna be batons about 1/4 of an inch thick. So these steaks at 1/4 of an inch thick. Only need one. And from this point, we're just gonna make batons. We don't want them no bigger than the strawberries. These are a little bigger than the 1/4, but no, right around the same size. Let me grab a strawberry here. So, all right, you see, no larger than that, and that'll be fine for our salad. All right, let me give you another update on our strawberries. They've been simmering for about a half hour. They're still breaking down. Let's see what they look like in about 15. All right, looks like our strawberries have rendered down. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Now, we're just going to pass the strawberries in the vinegar through the strainer. But let the strainer do its job. Don't try to push the strawberries through the strainer. Just let it hang out, let gravity do its job. And then we're gonna cool it. And once it's cooled down, then we're gonna spin it. All right, I'm gonna give you a little tip. And that's the vinegar after I strained it. This is a frozen saute pan. And I'm gonna add, it's frozen, I've had it in the freezer for a good hour. Now I want to put this back in the freezer so we could speed up the cooling process. Alright, let's season this cream. We're not going to whip or anything. So we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. Lime zest, and salt. Let's give her a taste. A little more lime juice. I'm gonna add more zest. Excellent. Let's move on. Let's spin this vin. So the strawberry infused red wine vinegar has cooled down. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna put it in the blender. Beautiful. And obviously you could do this with any type of fresh fruit. And this is our base for our vinaigrette. And we're going to start spinning her on slow. Okay, we're gonna add a little olive oil. Now some canola oil. We're gonna hit it with some honey. A little bit of salt. And let's give her a taste. Oh, it tastes like one big strawberry. It should just taste like one big juicy, sweet, salty, bitter strawberry. Excellent. All right, let's season this jicama. So I'm simply gonna add enough EVO to cover, extra virgin olive oil. Just give them a toss here. Fold in the oil. Some of the lime juice, I'm gonna give it one. These are kind of small. 2, catching all the seeds. Beautiful. We're gonna hit it with some of the zest of the same limes. Some salt. Fresh cracked pepper. Let's give it a turn here. Hit it with a little more zest. I want to see every baton have some zest on it. All right, let's give her a taste. Add more lime juice. And of course, at this point, if you like spice on your jicama, which I really do, you could add chili powder, cayenne powder, or even some of those dried chili mix, those Hispanic mixes they use. All right, let's give this a toss. Give it a taste. Excellent, it's slimy, salty, and jicamish. Let's move on. All right, let's mix this salad. So I got the greens. I'm just drizzling on some of the strawberry vin. I'm gonna go ahead and add some strawberries. Beautiful, let's plate this salad up. Oh, I nearly forgot. We need to add our roasted almonds. Excellent, now we're ready to plate. All right, let's plate up this beautiful strawberry salad. So I went ahead and tossed the greens. I added the jicama, the strawberries. So we're going to start with a nice base of our greens. Try not to over dress your greens so they don't wilt right away. Sometimes you overdress the greens and they tend to get heavy and they lose their height, their freshness. Go in with some of the roasted almonds. Couple more almonds. Just finish her off with a drizzle of the vinaigrette. We're going to give her a dollop of the whipped cream. And there you have it. Let's give her a taste test. All right, let's give her a taste. Beautiful looking salad. Let's see. I want a strawberry, a jicama, Man, that was delicious. One of my favorite, just that camera angle. One of my favorite summer salads. Who doesn't love strawberries, right? Well, I hope you give this a try. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for stopping by. And we'll see you here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.